In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up online banking with Novo in a full tutorial. Whether you're new to online banking or just trying out Novo for the first time, I'm here to guide you through each step, making it easy and straightforward. Let's dive right in. To begin with, the first thing you'll need to do is either visit Novo's website at www.novo.co or download the Novo app from your device's app store. Once you've reached the home page, you'll see options to either log in or get started. If you're an existing user, simply tap Login, but if you're setting up your account for the first time, click on Get Started to begin the registration process. As you embark on creating your account, input your email address and come up with a strong, secure password that you'll be comfortable using. Following this, you are required to provide your name, business information, and contact details. These pieces of information are crucial as they set the foundation for your new online banking profile with Novo. Upon completing the initial setup, it's time to verify your identity. Novo will send a code to the email or phone number you provided. Make sure to enter this code accurately to confirm your account. It doesn't stop there. You'll need to upload a photo ID, which can be a driver's license or passport. This step is crucial as it ensures the security of your account and verifies your identity. The next step involves agreeing to Novo's user agreement and disclosures. It's always a good idea to carefully review these terms to make sure you understand the guidelines and policies. Once you're satisfied with the terms, accept them to move forward with activating your account. As a final precautionary measure, it is highly recommended to turn on security settings. This means enabling two-step verification and notifications for extra safety. Two-step verification adds an additional layer of protection by requiring you to verify your identity in a second way, such as through your phone. Notifications will help you keep track of account activities in real time, alerting you to any changes or transactions that occur. And there you go, you've successfully set up your online banking with Novo. Congratulations! Remember, keeping your account secure is a continuous process, so regularly review your security settings to ensure your banking activities remain protected. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy banking!